Arguing with your partner about money? Learn ways to find acceptable compromises. Check out Financial Essentials for Couples, free as an ebook, though 1 January 12, 2026. Couples have unique financial needs. Discussing finances can avoid conflicts. Couples have unique financial needs, and open communication about money can prevent many conflicts. Financial Essentials for Couples offers a comprehensive guide to building a strong financial foundation together. Learn how to communicate effectively, set joint goals, and navigate life events like marriage, home buying, and retirement. Get information on budgeting, credit scores, investing, and more. You will find out what is needed for a strong financial foundation as a couple, ways to communicate effectively about money, set up accounts that support your future financial goals, and develop healthy habits in spending, saving, investing, and starting a retirement fund are covered. You will get information about what is needed for the most common life events couples encounter, such as what to consider when getting married, having children, buying a house, and retiring. This Storybases books covers topics such as creating shared financial goals and values, budgeting for couples, your shared and independent credit score, determining your investment risk tolerance, understanding joint and separate property, deciding whether to sign a prenuptial agreement, setting up retirement, joint and individual accounts, empowering yourself to be financially confident.
Our books provide answers by breaking down essential financial concepts into easy, actionable steps for everyone in your family. From teaching your children and teens to building a secure future for yourself, our collection offers focused education tailored to specific audiences. Raising financially independent children. Fun and engaging ways to teach kids the basics of money management, setting them up for success. Financially independent teens. Essential tools for middle and high schoolers to make informed decisions about finances during these formative years. Financial Independence Essentials, a foundational guide for anyone starting out on their financial journey. Financial Essentials for Couples, practical advice on managing finances together, cohabitation agreements, and building a strong financial partnership. Financial Essentials for Women by Women, insights and strategies to help women set and achieve financial goals. Budgeting for Women by Women, straightforward budgeting techniques designed with women's unique challenges in mind. Retirement Guidebook, your comprehensive roadmap to planning and enjoying retirement. How to get out of debt. 1. A step-to-step guide to help you get out of debt and stay out of debt.